When common sense takes a day off, things can go wrong fast. From ridiculous mistakes to unexpected disasters, these boaters are about to prove that not everyone belongs behind the wheel. Let's explore them with ShipZone. When you have no shame, your friends have to feel it for you. The price you pay for not getting off the boat the proper way. That's one way for your boat to help you cool off on a hot summer day.
What happened?
Nothing wakes you up like a good impact. Wow. His agility seems to be inversely proportional to his age. A perfect landing, just a little hard on the chairs. The performance hadn't even started before it quickly came to an end. No matter how tightly you hold on, the ocean always finds a way to win. No need to check the speedometer, his face says it all. A little too much excitement for the first day of school. That photo almost came with a trip to the hospital. If you want to show off for the girls, the ocean probably isn't the place to do it.
Nani?
10 out of 10 for his confidence and skills. Walking on ropes is never safe, especially with nothing but open water below. When you go up against the waves, your chances of winning are simply zero.
Here, give me this.
Oh shit! Oh no! I didn't sign it.
A woman who likes you can get strong enough to throw you overboard.
I lost my sunglasses again.
If he happens to be wearing sunglasses, let's blame them for not seeing where he was going. Even a world champion in the 8 can struggle when rowing solo. So, do you know why? Let me know in the comments. When you're just too excited to see your friend after being apart for days,
Oh my God!
she's got the enthusiasm of a fisherman, just not the skills yet. A delicate pink boat like this deserves to be treated gently.
Bro, I like.
We got Jimmy inside, alright? Yeah, we got it.
Boundary and 8.
That's the whole second.
Sometimes, the best strategy is to just get the hell out of there.
Really good pressure on the outside.
Getting her bones checked might be the first thing she should do once she's back on shore. The view is great, but the safety is not so much. A pretty good reason to buy a new boat.
Hey, y'all can't park that there.
He's just dealing with the mess someone else left behind.
Oh no.
Maybe this silliness comes from the fact that it's his first time towing a trailer.
Definitely having problems.
Get bigger, it may get a little bigger, it may not get bigger at all. We'll see what happens. But regardless of what happens, we're...
Clearly, fishing is more important than how much longer the boat can stay afloat.
We made it. Maybe.
Just wait for the water level to drop, guys, and you'll get through.
Are they gonna make it? Oh my God!
Now you can easily pass under the bridge, just without the mast. Turns out, Toucan Sam can do more than just follow his nose. When rowing a boat, all it takes is one moment of distraction.
What a fucking hero. Look at this guy.
Don't need oars when you've got two hands and a strong enough back.
You get it.
That could be the result of a few drinks.
I can't watch this guy. I'm gonna get the lake top on.
This is exactly why boat towing services can't get any work.
Push that way. Okay, push that.
What's up, Brizzy?
No need to get in the water when you can get a free shower while standing on the boat. That moment, your team realizes the race is basically over. Well, the stretchiness of that swimsuit is pretty impressive. Ramming into the dock is also one way to stop a ship, but it's going to cost you.
Well, I hope I get out here and get to my car.
No, you guys stop! You guys stop! Guys, stop!
Just another peaceful day on a cruise ship.
Please check out. 2 guys were in the water. The dock. Check the 2 guys in the water. FYI, in the future, don't do the riverboat cruise. Here's what you want. We got 2 guys in the water. Check the water.
It's not worth it! Hey! Oh! You guys stop! Stop!
Want hier wordt binnenkort het grootste paasevenement van Nederland georganiseerd. Zeilkampen. Wat is er nou zo bijzonder aan zeilkampen?
Als je de mooiste... Deze kant op. Nee.
They probably didn't expect the interview to go viral like this. Staying seated while the boat is moving is the best way to avoid unnecessary drama.
And wind it down, wind it down. Wind it down. And easy there. Easy. Heads. Look, look. Ah. Jackson.
The incident report will be waiting for them on shore. Some skills are just too important to waste when you're out on the water. They found the most complicated way to transport a jet ski. Boat dealers and repair shops are going to love customers like this. Being on a boat is not a place where you can do everything as freely as you would at home.
Abbucciato!
The little boats were having a nice day until the big guy showed up.
Mi parte! Che mi fa guardare? No. Wow, hai visto che... No, dietro no, di fianco. Hai visto che piano?
Rowing was too much for her, so she decided to take a break.
Oh, yes!
He wanted to see how far he could push it. Now he knows. Consider it a little extra excitement for the vacation. You don't always need a tow rope to pull a boat ashore. A drifting boat and a stationary tree were never a perfect combination for balancing. Water activities usually come with insurance for a reason. The boat clearly wasn't ready for this kind of challenge. A successful launch, but now the question is, how are they going to get on the boat? I think those three guys earlier could do it this way. If you don't want to blame poor driving, just blame the little push. I'm not sure he's going to be safe after that. The ceiling designers definitely didn't plan for this. When they tell you it's sea-ready on Marketplace. Hard to miss a pink boat out on the water. Who said boats were only for humans to enjoy? The perfect training ground for the next kayaking season. A perfect couple should know how to work together. These two clearly aren't. Just like men, the boat seems to be afraid of a woman's hits and yelling too. Out on the water, common sense can make all the difference. Hope you enjoyed the laughs and learned a thing or two. Like this video, subscribe to Ship Zone, and we'll see you next time.